Why are you crying? Stop crying.
Cut my finger.
Why are you crying, honey? It's okay.
Cut my finger.
It's gonna be okay. Where? There's no blood. Hubwubs just made my coffee and guess what it says? Beauty. Oh my gosh, she's the cutest. Okay, whatever.
Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Oh my gosh, she's naked. Stop looking at my naked man. Oh my gosh, she's naked. Oh gosh, he's more naked. No, stop. Go away. He's naked. Can't show. But today is Sunday. We stayed up late last night, like what, 4 o'clock? We stayed up until 4. That's like the longest we've ever stayed up and actually talk. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, married people can talk. Oh my gosh. We stayed up until, it was like a little after 3. He fell asleep first because I was like, I'm not falling asleep. I love this. I love being able to talk to him and joke, and it was so funny. And then Jaxson woke up. And came in the room, and then he kind of like killed the whole. Of course we already had Maddie and stuff, but oh my gosh, he put some clothes on. Oh, look at his handsome face. So we stayed up until 3.
Yeah, it's like 3:30.
Yeah, 3:30.
I woke up.
He fell asleep first. I was like, I'm not going to sleep. I love this. I actually like talking to him. So
I woke up at 3.
We won't be doing it tonight because we gotta go to work tomorrow. Maddie, what are you doing? She does that.
She's picking a phone for her phone. She's picking a phone case for her phone.
You don't have a phone. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Why is there
Ooh, chocolates.
No, she put, oh, chocolate. Oh, that's where she hid them.
Oh, mine.
Maddie hid them in there because they were up the, watch Daddy Coffee. Maddie, what did you do?
This is cool.
Which one? That used to be Daddy's case.
Candy.
Can you guys get out of my things?
That's not mine.
No, Daddy had the phone. No, it wasn't.
Tell Maddie that. She's the one who's
Maddie, get out. Teaching him how to vlog. Like, I want him to be more involved, so I'm teaching him how to vlog. The camera is dying. That's the first thing you want to do. When you want to vlog, you make sure that camera, the battery, is charged and not blinking. You got a couple seconds before it dies, but we're gonna go charge this camera and be right back. Got anything to say to the sunshine?
Not really. That your battery's dying.
Oh god.
Hi guys, so I'm on my way to the supermarket to buy some maseca, some cheese, some refried beans, and attempt to make some papusas. And I gotta buy some cabbage and some carrots and stuff to make curtido, which is what goes along with pupusas. So we'll see. So I forgot to add that pupusas is it's an El Salvadorian dish. I'm not from El Salvador, I'm from Uruguay. Right next to Argentina and Brazil. Or I should say right under Brazil, I believe, yeah. So I'm not from El Salvador, but I like their food. So we'll see how this turns out.
So apparently my husband is signing me up to make papusa. First of all, I'm Jamaican. I don't know anything about nobody papusa. This man, I swear my husband wants me to be a Spanish woman. I'm not no Spanish woman. Tell me, ask me to make you some beef patty or something. I'll make you some beef patty. I don't know about nobody papusa. Like seriously, but we're going to Giant. We took 3 kids. 3? Yeah, we took the 3 youngest and we left the twins because you know how our car situation is. We only have the Ford Focus now, the Explorer. Nobody knows what's wrong with the Explorer, and the F450 is a gas guzzler. So, you know, hauling everybody just to go to Giant just to get some ingredients is not even practical right now. So we're gonna go get this food and come back and make papusa. Probably if everybody feels good, because we've been sick, we can go to grandma's house, maybe. Not promising anything, don't say yeah. Put your belt on. And that's about it for Sunday. I think it's gonna rain. I think it's gonna rain which would suck really bad.
Yeah,
It's gonna rain? Oh my gosh. I like the rain, don't get me wrong. I love when it rains. I love when it rains and I'm at home and it's just like so homey, and you know what I mean? Comment down below if anybody's like me, like where you love the rain and you like to just cuddle up in your bed and just listen to the sound of the rain and oh Lord, honey, there's a car like right there. Anyways, I'm gonna go.
Comment if they have any tips on how to make pupusas.
If you're a Spanish person, or it doesn't matter if you're a Spanish person, if you know how to make papusa and you've ever done it, then comment down below how you do it, because we're about to experiment like a you know what, and we don't even know what we're doing. He don't even know what he's doing. I don't even think his mom ever made papusa a day in his life.
No, I told him in the second video that I'm not from El Salvador.
Oh. Only
It's an El Salvadorian dish.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so we shall see how this goes. I'll see you guys at Giant. I'm so excited, Maddie.
Oh, can I vlog what we're gonna do? Can I vlog?
Maddie. I need
Can I vlog?
I need lunch. What is that? Is that one of the ingredients?
Man,
No?
I think they're trying to rip me off by saying papusa cheese. I think this is just mozzarella cheese.
Guys,
And I'm
look.
not paying $7 for cheese.
Guys, look. Sunshine. Look.
Well, I guess.
Ta-da!
Really?
Yeah. That's it.
Sorry, trying to drive this cart and push this little one at the same time. So,
What are you getting ready to do?
cut up some cabbage for the pupusas.
We don't know what we're doing. That's what makes me nervous, is that we don't know what we're doing, and my husband is going to make this elaborate food. We shall see how it turns out. It's gonna be good, right, Maddie? I'm so scared to put her down because I know she's gonna cry. So let's put her down. Let's see. Down, Mad. Oh, good girl. Look at this. Maddie, you're okay. Come on. Come on. Come. You're okay. Come. 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 Look, look. Why? Why? I'm not even gonna entertain her with her foolishness. I'm gonna put the groceries away. I love you. Oh, this light takes forever to kick to light up. So I'm gonna have my husband with his pupusa, and yeah, so let's cook. Guys, I found some grapes. I found cotton candy grapes, and I haven't found it. I've been hearing about cotton candy grapes for like forever, and I just found it. It was $4.99 a pound. I was not buying cotton candy for $4.99 a pound, so you know what I did? I got me. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Roberto. I'm sorry. So, I got me just this amount. This cost me less than $3. It was like $2 something. So, that's for the kids' lunches tomorrow. Got 2 little cucumber. I got, can you not do that? That's so disgusting. I hate when he does that. I got some baby carrots here, some hot dogs, some chicken hot dog. Not the best in the world, but hey. These were $1.49 at Giant. At Harris Teeter, they're 99 cents. What are you doing, darling? Pick that up, honey. Pick it up. Thank you, Jordan. My husband got some carrot sticks. He's gonna use that right now. He got some habanero and jalapeno. Oh, we got some fresh mozzarella, deli meat for the kids' lunches. So that's that. My husband is cutting the mess out of that. I got some Velveeta slices for sandwiches and grilled cheese. Next up, I got some Paw Patrol string cheese. It was on sale, so yeah, I got that. So for the kids' lunches. This is supposed to be papusa cheese. So my husband thinks it's just mozzarella cheese. It is. Got some milk because I started giving Madison whole milk. My husband wanted to try these, and they are pita chips, I think. Yeah, whatever. This was clearance out for $1.88. They're usually $4.29. So this is my, no, this is Destiny's. Destiny chose that. Jackson didn't want any. And I got him some mini muffins. They're salted caramel. Hopefully he likes these. They were clearanced out for $1.99, originally $3.99. So those are for his lunches. And then I got some waffles. What are these? Pretzels. So these are waffle pretzels, and he can have those with peanut butter. Okay, so another box of cracker my husband wanted to try. This is the jalapeno and cheddar jack. This is just him because I'm pretty sure the kids are not going to eat no jalapeno crackers. So that's my husband. And this is his because he wanted to try the cranberry almond. And these were $1.88. I'm surprised at the price, but whatever, I'm not complaining. These are protein bites. These were also on clearance for $1.88, originally $4.29. So I'm gonna try these with the kids to add extra protein in their lunches. And yeah, so this one is just the peanut butter chocolate. And then we have this one over here, which is the caramel. Okay, back to my haul. So I got some Naked Bear Naked granola. This is a vanilla almond for the kids' lunches. Okay, so for Destiny's breakfast in the morning, this was on clearance for $1.79, and it's just the Disney Princess cereal. So it was open, but the package is still good. I got some hot dog buns here. These are nice and soft for the kids. These were clearance down to $1.49. My husband wanted some sandwich buns, so we got these for $1.49. So they just have different kinds and different flavors. This was $1.99 clearance down from $3 something. My husband wanted that for his lunches. And then this is for the kids' lunches, $1.49 clearance from $2.99. So, and it's really soft. Okay, this is the rest of the haul. I got some mandarin orange, some yogurt. This is the vanilla kind for the kids for their lunches. All of this stuff is mostly for the kids' lunches. Got some Roaring water and grape, and Jackson wanted new juices, so I just got him this icy, I think this is fruit punch. No, this is wild cherry, and this is the flour to make the papusas. So yeah, and all of this cost me $72. I don't know, I'll get it for you. I think I'm gonna start going back to Giant because it's cheaper. What do you want, honey?
Apple cider vinegar.
Let's see. Right here. Hey, why are you crying? Stop crying.
I cut my finger.
Why are you crying, honey? It's okay.
I cut my finger.
It's gonna be okay. Where? There's no blood. You liar. It's okay. It's gonna be okay, baby. Don't cry anymore.
Okay.
It's the first time seeing you cry.
I know.
Okay, so this is the filling. What is this? Cabbage?
Cortito.
Cortito?
That's what it's called.
Okay.
It's cabbage,
so this is cortito.
Oregano, a little bit of salt, a little bit of water, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, cayenne pepper.
Good job, honey. This is, I think you need to be a bit softer. I will saute mine so it's a little softer, but he said it's supposed to sit for a couple more hours. And this is the actual papusas. He made some, and they're sitting in here.
Warm. Yeah, they're looking warm.
So I'm excited to try this. This the kids.
I didn't give Jason or Destiny.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I am going to eat the mess out of these.
What?
We forgot to close out the vlog, so I have to close it out because my husband is getting ready for work tomorrow, and I have to go. Have to record a oh my lord, you wanted to get down. Oh, I have to clean up and start packing the kids' lunch for tomorrow. I have to do a nighttime routine for this girl right here. I really want to do it, but I don't think she's gonna let me do it because she's like really fussy, and I think she wants to go to sleep, and it's gonna take forever to edit. Not edit. It's gonna take forever to record a nighttime routine video, and I think she just wants to go take a bath and go to sleep. So my husband is getting ready for work tomorrow. He's taking a shower. He's cutting his hair. I think he's gonna cut the boy's hair. I don't know. But I'm gonna go put this food away, clean up my kitchen, and make the kids lunch for tomorrow. So anyways, I will see you guys on either Tuesday or Wednesday. I haven't decided what I'm doing yet, but I will see you guys definitely Wednesday. So anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. And my husband is wanting to vlog, and I'm trying to teach him how to vlog, so bear with him. He's not used to this whole camera in his face thingy, so yeah. Anyways guys, I gotta go. This little girl is trying to climb up here. Look at her. And anyways, I gotta go because she's squirming. Anyways, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.